Hello everybody. In this session we will learn how to use the electronic order form of Forever Living Products Spain. First thing you should do is to create your own copy of the spreadsheet. This is a Google spreadsheet, so you will receive a link from Forever Living, and you need to click on this link, and then you will access the read-only mode original spreadsheet, and you will have to create your own copy. And once the copy is yours, you have to authorize Google to run the script on the spreadsheet. And since it is your own copy, you will be able to modify and create your own orders. Second thing to do is to change here the working language to English. You need to select the value from this list, and then in this case we choose English here, and then all the boilerplate and the lists of values and the product names, etc., will be translated into English. Okay, then let's enter here in the first blank cell the first product of our order, and let's think it's about clean 9. So once we start typing the letters of clean, you will see different options here of different products that have this part of the name, and then let's choose clean 9 chocolate, and you will see that all the calculations are automatically set up. And one of the calculations here says that we are covering the minimum order, but the free delivery we need to add 64 more euros to get the free delivery. One important thing is that we are now working on this territory, mainland, but we can change to one of the 6 territories that we have defined for Forever Living. These territories do not only depend on the geographical area, they also depend on the different prices of transportation and delivery, etc. So you should choose for instance, in the Canary Islands, you should choose if you are in Tenerife or if you are in any of the other islands. Let's choose Canary Islands, for example, and you will see how the calculations regarding to taxes are recalculated again, and then you have the right price here. Also, this spreadsheet will calculate the total margin that you get using this level in the Forever Marketing Plan. And then this is the margin for novice, for an assistant supervisor here, but you can change this. For instance, let's say what happens if my level is supervisor. Then you see that how the margin increases, and also you can simulate what happens if I'm a manager. And then you see the total margin of the purchase order will increase automatically. Let's add a second product here. For instance, let's say Vital 5, and once again, we choose the right option, and we can do it with the keyboard. I did it with the keyboard here. If you want to change the quantity, you can do it in this cell. By default, it will say just 1, but we can change this, and then all the calculations are automatically set up for us. And this is the total margin for a manager in the Canary Islands for these products. Once we have set up all of this, if we want to place the order and send an email to Forever, we need to add these 2 more fields. First one is the delivery address, and one of the options, for instance, we can choose to use the permanent address that we should have set up previously in My Data, this tab here. Okay, and then when we set up use my permanent address, it will copy the address fields here. It will copy them here. Okay, and then if we go back to the purchase order, we need to add also the payment method, and we can choose, for instance, credit card. This credit card is also in My Data, is in this field here. Never set up the credit card in any other field, because the content in this field will go to Forever Living Products in a second email that will be encrypted. So be sure that if you want to use the credit card payment method, to set up the credit card in the right field here. Okay, then, so we have this purchase order, which is complete now. Everything's done. And then if we go to the Oficial tab, we will see a copy of what Forever will receive. These are the products. These are our data. And also it will inform Forever that we want to speak in English. Okay, and with the total amount and the total points earned. When we have this and we're happy with this purchase order, we can go to the FLP menu, and then we choose email. And then We confirm this box here, and an email will be sent to Forever Living Products in our name. And the second email, encrypted, will send the payment data for them. Okay, and everything's here. This box says that everything's done. And then the last step after placing an order should be coming back here to the FLP menu and then cleaning data in this order, so the spreadsheet is set up for a new order from scratch. Thank you very much.